Hi guys, look how cute these tic-tac-toe molds I made are. I did not do a video making them because I wanted to try the mold out a couple times first. If there is an interest or you're interested in seeing me make one, please let me know in the comments. This one is a red, white, and blue one. Aren't they cute? Here's the extra pieces. And then this one's my favorite. It's so summery and springy. It's got all the little flowers. And then the X's are dragonflies. The O's are butterflies. So pretty. Looks like I got a couple holes up here, but that's okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how cute these are. All right. I'll see you soon, guys.